Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for 11th September 2024. First thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. The Morse code for today is the light. To get the first letter, which is D, you do just one dash and two dots. Then for the E is just one dot. The L, which is the third letter, you do one dot, one dash and two other dots. The fourth letter is I. To get this I, you do two dots. And to get the G, you do two dashes and one dot. For the H, you do four dots. Then for the T, you do just one dash. Then you click on take the price here. That's it for today's daily cipher, guys. Please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.